This Instant Pot ratatouille recipe is perfect for using up your summer vegetables from your produce garden, like bell peppers, zucchini, eggplant, tomatoes, and fresh herbs. Take about 3 cups of cubed eggplant, about 1/4-inch pieces. That's about 1 medium eggplant. Add 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Shake it up and set it in a colander over a bowl to drain for a few minutes. Turn the Instant Pot to saute mode and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the olive oil has heated up, add about 1.5 cups of chopped onion. That's about 1 medium onion. Stir the onions until they're translucent. Add 3 cups of cubed zucchini, that's about 2 medium, and stir it up briefly. Add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Add 3 cups of bell peppers, that's about 2 medium. Saute the vegetables for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring them so they don't stick to the bottom, and then transfer them to a bowl and you'll put them back in later. Add 2 more tablespoons of olive oil to the empty pot. Add the drained eggplant and saute until it's lightly browned and stir frequently. Make sure it doesn't burn, and you may need to add some more olive oil. Now you're going to add back the reserved vegetables and the spices, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and 1 tablespoon of capers. Stir gently, making sure there are no brown bits stuck to the bottom of the Instant Pot. This is really important because we want to avoid the burn message. And if you need to, deglaze with a couple of tablespoons of water or broth. Now add the tomatoes and pressure cook on high pressure for 4 minutes. You're probably asking the question, where's the liquid? Because you need liquid to pressure cook, and that's a great question. In this particular recipe, we're not adding any liquid because the vegetables release a lot of liquid. Do a quick release of pressure, press cancel, and open the Instant Pot. The ratatouille is going to have some liquid at the bottom, and we're going to use saute mode to thicken it up. Simmer the ratatouille in saute mode for about 6 to 8 minutes until most of the liquid has evaporated. Add about a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. Use high-quality balsamic vinegar, and you can adjust that to taste. And some chopped basil and chopped parsley. You can add more basil, parsley, balsamic vinegar, and a drizzle of olive oil at the end right before serving. Serve this ratatouille as a side dish with pasta or on toasted French bread topped with goat cheese. That's my favorite way of serving this. It's a great appetizer that's healthy. Get more details on my blog, paintthekitchenred.com, and search for Instant Pot ratatouille.